viewers, this is a LIBSVM based hierarchical layered approach for the intrusion detection, and I'm doing my MTech in software engineering, where my project guide is TV Rajni Gandhi Garu at Department of IT. Well, coming to the abstract is an intrusion detection nasty activity which had been takes the performance to handle the large amount of traffic that had been occurred in the networks. The main aim is to detect the intrusion accuracy that is achieved by the LIPSM and the efficiency by using the layered approach. Finally, I showed them my process is and robust, that is, it can be handle the noisy data. Well, coming to the intrusion is nothing but it is a misusing of the your system, and it may be of asking your laptop without taking the permission of others. This is one type of example of the intrusion. It may be of physically or remote intrusion. These it consisting of two classifications, that is host based and network based. Well, in existing system, the intrusion is detected in the intrusion. It had been detected from different type, like the intrusion will detect in the only the area which had been affected. But coming to my proposed system, it will shows in a particular layer where the intrusion had been detected, with which it advantages are it takes time very less, and the scalability will be there, and it shows the intrusion in a particular layer. These are the features which I have taken for the intrusion detection, and by this feature I can easily show the where the intrusion has been detected. And this is the first one, that is Mars adaptive regression planes, and second one support vector machine, which I am using as a backend of my process, and this is the linear genetic program, and some of the ideas, that is intrusion detection architectures, and these are the classifiers which where these layers play a more important role, with the probe and the denial of service attacks, and the user to root attacks, and the remote to user attacks. This can be done by using of detection of the probes and the denial of service attacks, where it consisting of the different type of feature extractions, and these are the malware detection, which is one of the antivirus tool. And well, coming to the main approach for this intrusion detection, is a hierarchical approach which I am using for this process, and it consisting of the four layers, mainly probe layer, probe level, denial of service level, remote to local level, and the user to root. Coming to the probe, it is nothing but a tampering of the data, confidential data, and by using of misusing the computers. It doesn't need any technical expertise. Coming to the denial of service, it if at all any client is wanted to contact with the server, it always show the memory space is low, or the server is busy, or it does not take the request of the client. This is the one of the attack. And remote to local is nothing but a proxy level. It makes use of the proxy access. It doesn't contact directly with the server. Welcome to the user to root is nothing but exports the confidential by gaining the local access as a user illegally. And these are some of the features. Now I'm going to show my execution of the project, where this is the GUI which I have taken for the data sets. I'm loading the training sets. By uploading it, I'm having the large number of training sets which I have downloaded from the DARPA. Then testing sets. Then I'm using the train and test, where it shows the where actual the intrusion is. It in this testing and the training sets is consisting of the network connections which they are going to connect with the networks, and this shows the results of the where the actually the intrusion is, and in summary shows the normal. This number of defects have been occurred, and the event coming to the in this DOS, this number of intrusion has been detected. Then this route to local and the user to remote, and also we can analyze by the layer by layer. Well, if we take an example of the probe and report, it shows only the probe layer, which had been the intrusion had been occurred in by taking of training set 7 and testing set 8. I have taken this as an example. If you want, we can take the under one also. And then in different lists, well, we come to the normal and report. It will show the only the normal reports which had been intrusion had been occurred. Then this is the hierarchical representation, and taken by this say implementing the real life in a airport security model. Why? Because it takes the different security checks by the human check. It will take for the one way, and for the luggage checking it takes for the underway. And these are the diagrams, UML diagrams I have taken for my project. And this is the coding, this is the training set, and this is the testing set. These are the screenshot. This is the where if at all we're going to open any training set data, it shows this type of data present in the data set. Well, these are the TCP and HTTP, where it shows the network connection between the one test to the other set. These are the communication values which have taken between these protocol and these protocols. And this is the execution of a project, and it had been shown in a graphical representation also by taking in a chart form. This is the intrusion rate comparison in the chart form with these source detection rate, and this is the number of attacks. This is the false alarm rate, and this is the intrusion between the no feature selection and the features by using of the hierarchical feature optimization. And I have taken that example as a training set 8 and 10, and this tells the result. By this I have drawn the graph, and these are the references. Thank you.